Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of applying for Medicaid in Florida? Don't worry, this guide will break down the process into easy-to-follow steps so you can access the healthcare you deserve. First, let's understand the eligibility requirements. In Florida, these typically include income limits, residency, and U.S. citizenship or qualified alien status. Visit the Florida Department of Children and Families website, linked in the description, to check the current income guidelines, as these can change. Next, gather your documents. You'll need proof of identity, like a driver's license or passport. Proof of Florida residency, such as a utility bill. Your social security card, birth certificates for everyone applying, and proof of income, including pay stubs, tax returns, and any documentation for other income sources like Social Security or pensions. Now, let's get into the application process. The easiest ways online through the Access Florida portal, also linked below. Create an account and follow the prompts, ensuring you answer all questions honestly and completely double-check everything before submitting. If you prefer a paper application, you can download it from the DCF website or pick one up at a local service center. Fill it out carefully, make copies of all your documents, and mail it to the address provided on the form. After submitting your application, you might be contacted for an interview. Be prepared to answer questions about your income, assets, and living situation. It's a good idea to have all your documents handy during the call. Once your application is processed, you'll receive a notification of approval or denial. If approved, you'll receive information about your Medicaid plan and how to access services. If denied, you have the right to appeal. The notice will explain the appeal process. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the Florida Medicaid application process with your Medicaid coverage. You can now access essential healthcare services, ensuring a healthier future for yourself and your family. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and resources.